Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to check out this height adjustable table that is a space saver table that you can use anywhere and you can adjust its height. You can just fold it and put it anywhere and it does not take much space. So it has this height adjustable slots here and we will show you how to adjust the height. See, one adjustment, 1, 2, 3 and the last one.
Wow, let's go.
So see how it folds. So you can keep it anywhere. It takes such a small space and it is very good for daily use as well. If you want to buy this table, this product, I will put link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.